This is the login page for POS. We have to give the mobile number over here. Click on tab to go down next to PIN. Enter the PIN. Click on enter. Now we need to select the location. Once the location is selected, we need to start the session. So use the arrow keys. Click on the down arrow key. Select the terminal. Click on enter to start the session. Enter opening cache. Click on enter. Enter the PIN. Click enter. Select the manager. Enter the click on tab to go down and enter the manager PIN. Click enter to finish. Now the session has started. The session has started now. Next step is to go to the cart. So you can either press Control M or click on the go to cart option. So when you press Control M, there is a pop-up that appears to add the customer. So this is the order page or the cart page, and you can add the customer's number over here. So once we add the customer number, click on add by clicking on enter. Now you can see the customer number is added. Next is to add the products by scanning. So once the products are added, like given over here, click on F1. So this is the box where you have to enter the amount that the customer has paid. Let's say the customer paid you 1,000 rupees. The change will be displayed as 369 and the cash payment mode is selected. Click on F2 to proceed with the payment. So once this is done, the bill will be printed. Click on continue by pressing on enter. Now you can add a new customer number and follow the same process for creating a new order.